Okay, we are dealing with exponents grade number 7, okay? Now let's check something, okay? Let's say express the following, okay? We are having 5 raised to 3, we have 4 raised to 3, and we have 3 raised to 3, okay? Now we know when we express, we are expanding, okay? Let's expand this one. When you expand this one, it will be 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, okay? And we know that these two will give me 25 multiplied by 5, which will be 125, okay? Now this one, it will be 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by a 4. We know that this one will be 16 multiplied by a 4, okay? 16 multiplied by 4 will give me 64, okay? Now, here again, we will have what? 3 multiplied by a 3 multiplied by a 3, which will be 3 times 3 will give me a 9 multiplied by a 3, which is equals to 27. So whenever they say express this, that means you will be given in an exponential form. You must go back to a whole number, or vice versa, take from here back to an exponential form.